Hello, I'm Steph and I'm from St Margaret's Church. I'm going to show you how to make a penny spinner. You will need some coloured pens, a circle of card and some scissors. If you don't have a circle of card, you could draw around a cup. First, colour in your card. Now it's going to be spinning around, so I'm going to do a bit of a star shape on mine and colour in the different bits of the bits of the circle different colours. But you can colour it in and decorate it any way you like. Once you've coloured in your circle of card, you need to cut carefully in the middle of it. To do this, you fold it carefully and you cut just a tiny bit. And now you have your hole ready for your coin. So just take your penny and put it into the middle of your spinner. You've got to be careful not to cut a hole too big, otherwise it won't work. And that's exactly what I've done. But don't worry, it's not a disaster, because if you do cut the hole too big, you could use a 2p. I think it's going to be okay. And then test it out. Here is my finished spinner. I've actually cut another hole because the first one didn't work. And now just keep practicing and see how long can you get your spinner to spin for. Maybe if there's someone else in your house, they might want to make one too. And you can have a race and see whose will spin for the longest. Now, if you would like, you can use your penny spinner to do a science experiment. This is Newton's disc. It's named after a scientist called Isaac Newton, the same scientist who discovered gravity. Now, to make a Newton's disc, you could print out the printout below in the description, or you could turn your penny spinner into a Newton's disc. All you need to do is separate it into 7 equal segments and then colour them all the colours of the rainbow: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. For these two it doesn't matter as long as you get a purplish colour. Now, Isaac Newton said that all light, from the light bulbs to the sunlight that we see outside, it's all made up of the 7 colours of the rainbow. To prove Newton right, all we have to do is mix the colours together and hopefully we should get white. Now, when we look at red, all the other wavelengths of light are absorbed, but the red is reflected back to our eyes. When we look at blue, the same thing happens. But when we mix them all together really fast, we should get white. Now, I've made mine with a pencil, but you can just change your penny spinner into one if you like. Are you ready? Let's see if we can do it. Go really fast. I went so fast that mine broke. See if you can make your own Newton's disc and see if mixing the colours together will make it turn white.